Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 7, that is more features of Tux Paint. So students, before we start our chapter, let's have a look at lesson objective. What are we going to learn in this chapter? Let's have a look. Features of Tux Paint, shape tool and drip magic tool, eraser tool and edge effect, grass effect and rainbow effect, wave effect, slide in Tux Paint, noise effect, drawing using stamp tool, opening and exiting Tux Paint. So students, now we have warm-up questions. Our question number 1 is, do you know about MS Paint? क्या आप MS Paint के बारे में जानते हैं? You have to write the answer of this question in the given blank. Now, MS Paint stands for. You have to write the full form of MS Paint in the given blank. Do you know Tux Paint? क्या आप Tux Paint के बारे में जानते हैं? Next, Tux Paint contains a lot of creative tools that might help you to create picture, stay true or false. इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने के बाद, इस स्टेटमेंट को अच्छे से समझने के बाद आपको उसके आंसर में ट्रू या फॉल्स लिखना है. Now let's start our chapter. This world is full of imagination. Computer is a tool which can be used for the realization of these imagination. Tux Paint is a raster graphic editor geared towards young children. Tux Paint is a software which is used to create pictures using inbuilt libraries of backgrounds, animation, sounds, etc. It is a free software for information. You can download it from internet. This software is developed for children who are in group of 3 years to 12 years old. But user of all age can use it. You have to learn in Microsoft Paint how to draw and color pictures on computer. But now the program which we are going to start has not only just the tool to draw and color, but there are many more things which can give wonderful effect to your drawing. Tux Paint is completely free software released as open source. So students, now let's know an interesting fact. Bill Kendrick is creator of the Tux Paint, which is a bitmap graphic for children editor. Now students, our first topic is features of Tux Paint. It provides simple interface. It provides multiple platforms like Linux, Apple iOS and Android, etc. It provides entertaining interface. It provides drawing tools like rubber, stamp, line tool, shape tool and text tool, etc. It provides magic, that is special effects tool like blind, block, blur and bricks, etc. So students, our next topic is shape tool. As we know, Tux Paint is interchangeable shape tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygon shapes that used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shape by any angle on a 360 scale as per our requirement. Follow the step given below to use shape tool. Click the shape tool in the toolbox. Choose rectangle from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. Select color of your choice. You can either choose a blank square or a filling square. Place the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Select a point on the drawing area in which will act as the center of the rectangle. Color and drag the mouse. Choose the desired size and release the left mouse button. When you have completed the rectangle, read the given instructions by the penguins. A spin arrow will appear. This arrow is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Use this arrow in any direction to spin the rectangle. After completing the drawing, click in the drawing area to see the final image. So students, now let's know an interesting fact. Tux Paint has translated into more than 85 languages. So students, let's jump to our next topic, that is drip magic tool. This makes the paint drip wherever you move the mouse. This tool is available in Magic Tool. Do the following step to use Drip Magic Tool. Open a new file in Tux Paint. Select a white background. The drip effect is applied to your text. So students, here you can see the process of how you can use the Drip Magic Tool. Now our next topic is Eraser Tool. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of drawing by eraser tool. Before we learn more about eraser tool, let's know an interesting fact. You can add more colors by clicking on the last option of the color palette. Place the mouse pointer in the drawing area, click on the left mouse button and drag the eraser to the area which you want to erase of any drawing. Now students, we have an interesting fact. Let's learn about it. There are 47 different backgrounds, colors, pictures with which you can start a new drawing in Tux Paint. Now our next topic is Edge Effect. As monopoly of this feature, this effect is used to draw edges of an image or differentiate the edge from an already drawn image. To apply edge effect in drawing, do the following steps. Now click on Open and select the image you want. Then select the Magic Tool. Then select the Edge Magical Effect from the sub-tool box. Now click and drag the magic wand over entire picture. The edge of the image will be appeared on the screen. Now again we have an interesting fact, so let's learn about it. Tux Paint support vector graphics by which you can draw image that can be zoomed up to 100 times their original size without compromising on the quality of the image. Now students, our next topic is Foam Effect. When you wash your hand with soap, you must have seen foam. This can also be seen while your mother washes clothes. This foam effect can be added in drawing too. And this foam effect in a drawing, simply use Foam Effect tool in Magic Tool. Mostly it is used by user in sceneries. Now our next topic is Grass Effect. To draw grass in your drawing, you can simply use the grass effect from the sub-tool box to draw neat and tidy grass in your drawings. Open a new file with white background and a light color background. Click Magic Tool and select the Grass Magical Effect. Draw some grasses at the bottom of your drawing. Select Flower Magical Effect from the sub-tool box and drag the mouse over the grass where you want to draw flowers. Then pick the Foam Magical Effect and draw some foam over the grass at some places. Now students, our next topic is Real Rainbow Effect. Rainbow effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Now let's learn about the steps. Open the file with sky blue background to give original look. Select the magical tool from the tool box and rainbow effect from the sub tool box. Now place your wand anywhere in the drawing area and drag it to some other point. You will see a trail of rainbow colors as you draw. Click on Undo button. Now select the Real Rainbow Effect. Choose a single point on the drawing area. From that point, click and drag the mouse to a new location. You will see a rough sketch of the rainbow as you drag your box. As you reach the end point and release the left mouse button, you will see a real rainbow on your screen. So students, this is how you can draw a real rainbow on your Tux Paint program. Now our next topic is Wave Effect. Wave effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side, that is horizontal. Let us use this effect. So let's learn about how we use wave effect. Select a paint tool and draw a filled rectangle structure as shown in figures. Now select Magic Tool and then select the wave effect from the sub tool box. Read the instruction given by the penguin. Now click on the screen to get the desired waves effect in your drawing. Let us click at the bottom of the screen for taller waves. Now students, it's time to know some interesting fact. Tux Paint will soon launch new range of magic effect named Blind, Hexagon Mosaic, Irregular Mosaic, Perspective Puzzle, Zoom and many more. Now students, our next effect is Noise Effect. Noise effect is used to add random noise to your picture. We must have experienced while watching television, the TV signal suddenly goes off. Your screen is filled with grey and black dots along with the noise. This is called black noise. While the white noise effect is a mixture of white, grey, maroon and blue dot, it can be easily used by the user. Now students, let's learn about how we draw using stamp tool. So our next topic is drawing using stamp tool. The stamp tool is like a set of rubber stamps or stickers. It allows us to paste pre-drawn or photographic images like a picture of a horse or a tree or the moon. In our picture, children like to do this activity. There are some ready-made or built-in stamp in Tux Paint. We can download more stamps from the website. To apply a stamp, perform the following steps. Firstly, click on stamp button from the toolbar. Subtool box of stamp tool showing various stamps is displayed. We can find more stamps by clicking on arrow keys. Select the desired stamp. If needed, increase or decrease the size by using slope bar. This bar is available just above color box in the subtool box. Click on the canvas and the selected stamp is pasted. You may repeat click to paste stamp many times. To paste mirror image of stamp, click on mirror option just below the arrow keys in subtool box and select mirror button. Now our next topic is opening a drawing. To open a drawing, perform the following steps. Click on open button from toolbar. Now click on desired drawing. Click on open button. Your selected drawing will be open. Now our next topic is exiting Tux Paint. After doing all your drawings and coloring and effects, how will you close the app? So let's learn about it. We can exit Tux Paint by using quit button when we click on quit button, or we can also quit Tux Paint by following ways. By using close window into Tux button on Tux Paint title box, by clicking Alt plus F4 key combination, by pressing Shift plus Control plus Escape key in sequence. Now students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some key points. The Tux Paint is a free drawing program for children. Shape tool of Tux Paint allows you to draw various filled and unfilled shapes. Edge effect is used to draw edges of an image or differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Wave effect is used to wiggle a picture side to side or up and down. You can exit the page by using quit button. So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about more interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.